Continuously erupting.
We have to do it. We have to move on our hose, right?
Yeah, the continuous.
Yeah, the holes must see there's somewhere. I'm going live. I'm going live. Yes.
All right, so we're back. We're back live here. This is just outside.
Wow.
People, these are the kind of stones dropping out the sky at the moment. Yes, up in Sandy Bay area, Sandy Bay. Yeah, man, look at them. They're real big. Yeah, man. Anyway, Tommy, you good?
Look, this is how they look. Big stone. And stone them so freaking big, you can't even go out in them. How they big. Watch. The life, eh? The life. What is? Oh, please.
Stones dropping now. Stones dropping. Bigger stones dropping now. Bigger stones drop. As you can hear.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, just to give you some perspective here, this is a video of the second explosive eruption of the Soufrière volcano. Again, we see the ash plume here rising up into the horizon. Now, that is the north that you are looking at. To give you some perspective, I live in